So yesterday we went to Springfield, and that is quite the trek, and we all went. The one thing that we lost moving here was good thrift stores. We used to shop on the Kansas Missouri border a lot. Good thrift stores, good prices. It's not true here. So and also the quality of the stuff is not the same here as what we would find out there.
We find a lot of fast fashion, just cheaply made things, Walmart stuff a lot.
Yes, and that's something that we started seeing since 2022 even, was a lot of Shein and other things we didn't like. But we had two things we needed to get in town, or two main streams of things we needed. One, we had some winter item holes, things were missing or we didn't have, or people, outgrown or whatever. And the other was, we're going to a wedding this weekend, and wedding clothes were kind of lacking. And we're not dressing fancy, but I prefer no holes and no stains, So we got a few things. Naomi found some pink mugs for her and Wisdom. She was pretty excited about that. And we are always looking for mugs. And we prefer pottery, but this was still... She was pretty excited.
What's funny is Wisdom was telling me this morning that she saw those on the shelf and went to go ask if she could get them, and they came back and realized they were gone. Naomi had found them. So they both separately picked them out.
And Naomi wanted it for both of them, so that's good.
She wanted a match.
This is a little pottery vase.
Little pink one.
I like how swirly this side is. We love pottery stuff. So this was just a little cute piece, and this will be for Rhyyan. That's her color scheme for sure. And then starting on the clothes, I'll start with the little boys. He definitely, this is Azariah, he definitely needed stuff for the wedding. And he didn't need a coat, but it's nice to have another one because he'll shed it in the van and we'll not know where it is, or, nice to have a backup so you can find one easier. So this is because Simeon loves ties. So Azariah got one. And I got him a pair of, these are Sonoma. They're size 5. He's technically size 4. These are actually narrow waist. I'll probably just have to roll up the cuffs. But those are virtually brand new pants for the wedding. This I was very excited to find. If you don't know, I adore orange and purple. And so I saw this and I was pretty excited. Azariah loves orange. So this is his wedding shirt. And I have a feeling he's going to want to wear the tie with it. So, because Simeon is wearing his tie. Pants are an issue that we have, not finding ones that will stay up or that are soft. And so I got him these. Never heard of the brand. It's brand T-E-A. So they'll be, nice for another layer to keep warm. The waist might be a little big, but maybe not. And then this coat, I was pretty excited. It was $9, which is not a steal of a deal for a thrift store in my opinion, but good quality, all still there, and a hood. So I was glad to get those.
A good canvas material that won't wear out quickly or show a lot of dirt.
Yes, for sure. You can it'll stay there, it's fine. Then Simeon, he found this tie, man size, and loved it. And at that thrift store, how many did we go to? Like 4?
Yeah.
4 or 5, I'm not sure. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 2, at least 6.
Yeah, we went to a lot.
And at this thrift store, he found this tie, and he loved it. And I told him we would look for a child size one first. And we didn't find one, and so he ran back and got this one. So then at the very last thrift store, he found this child size one. And it's probably actually for like a 10-year-old boy, but it's small enough that it's better. And then he got this flannel. I like the colors. So we try very hard to find only natural things. So most of this is cotton. There are a few things that aren't, and it's mostly in the coat realm that are not 100% cotton. He also got this. This is the one he plans to wear to the wedding. And these jeans. He was thrilled when he saw these, and I was pretty surprised. But mostly what Simeon wears is pants this color and camo overalls. So I think he's kind of a bit of a uniform guy. I did grab him these. I didn't ask if he wanted them. Just grabbed them. And they're just Old Navy jeans. And yeah, he just needs jeans that don't have holes in them. And then this shirt, I had forgotten I found it, but he needed extra shirts anyways. I forgot I found it for potential for the wedding when he found that checkered one. All these clothes are super highly fragranced. Mm-hmm. And then we have Naomi. Can you grab that? Naomi got these little shoes for the wedding. I think they're Liz Claiborne memory foam. She was pretty excited, and it goes with her outfit good enough. This is the dress that she picked, and it's about knee length. And so she got these leggings to go with. They're just
along so I can see
a tan and blue mostly.
Naomi loves floral prints.
She does.
Girly stuff.
And then we found these vintage, probably the 90s, wall coveralls. And they're for Naomi as well. And then Wisdom found 2 pairs of gloves at the last thrift store that we went to. She was pretty excited about those. And then for her wedding outfit, she did not find a skirt, but she should have one. So these 2 items came from a thrift store in Springfield that was called
Inspired Boutique.
Yeah, Inspire or Inspired?
I don't remember. I think
it's Inspired Boutique, and it's for Abilities First. And all of their stuff was $5 or $10 each. So I was pretty excited about that. So she got this shirt, and to go with it, she got this cardigan, which is cotton and linen. So that'll go in there. And with this cardigan, I think that she can wear about any skirt she wants. So that's pretty cute. And then Rhyyan needed some shoes. She got these little boots. They're pretty cute. She also got a nice little layering t-shirt. And this skirt is not known if it's whose it is yet. It's either Rhyyan or Lilley, Rhyyan or Naomi. But it's 100% wool. It's Panther. The world's best. I love the cut of it and the pockets. The thing that Ryan's not sure that she wants it for is the length. But so this might be Naomi's, but it was in Rand's pile. So we will see how that goes. This is a book that Joelle found. It's Man of War, a fictional biography by Walter Farley, author of the Black Stallion series.
Malachi's really excited about that, and I also might do a read aloud.
He's told me 3 times that he's reading that. This morning. That's it. Just this morning. Okay, so Lilley got a few things. This one's really cute, and I'm not sure I can show it very well in the camera. Let me button a little bit of it.
Hold on. You might want to rebutton it. I mean,
So I got off kilter. I know how to button. Probably, if I think about it. So this little denim dress. This also, this is either Lilley or Wisdom.
Lilley wasn't sure if she'd like it or not. She couldn't decide, but Wisdom said she would definitely wear it if Lilley didn't.
And it has a high split, but we'll just put some pretty fabric in there. But that's awful cute. And it would also, I think it would work fine for the wedding. Especially with that little cardigan. And I think that would be a good little mix. And then this is also Lilley's. Feels like 100% cotton.
It is. I found it.
So, just a little vest to make it a little bit warmer. I like the texture of it. It's really nice.
And I loved the color. That's why I picked it out.
The colors Lilley likes too.
Yeah. Lilley said she might wear her black dress.
Lilley got this linen skirt. It is lined. We'll probably pull that out. It's Liz Claiborne. But the color of this one is really nice. It's a Lilley color for sure. And then this is her main plan for the wedding is this.
I was excited about that one.
It's a merino wool.
100% merino.
Yeah. Eileen Fisher. We really like Eileen Fisher. It's a nicer quality brand.
And it was only like $4, so that was nice.
They
didn't mark it up. It was
$4.74.
Yeah.
That's one of the cheaper items because everything was so high in town. And then the big boys.
Oh, Lilley's coat. You could show Lilley's coat.
Oh,
since
yes.
You're doing Lilley.
So Lilley loves vintage. She loves vintage coats, especially. She tends to find a lot of. And this is a wool coat.
50s or 60s, maybe.
It's an acetate liner. Yeah, I'd say. Probably. It's really heavy. So she is going to do some alterations. She doesn't like faux fur. And it's just whip stitched on. So, I don't know. Maybe we'll put some rabbit fur on it or something. Mm-hmm. That would be kind of a fun little...
It would be fun
to do. So, Malachi got these Swiss Tech gloves. At the last thrift store we went to was not in Springfield. It was in another little town. We went to see a friend for a few minutes. And I asked her if she knew of a good thrift store that she liked. And so she sent us to it. It was very good. Good prices, lots of stuff. So much stuff. And so a decent amount of this actually kind of came from there. And then one big item that I'll show you that I'm pretty excited about. So Judah got this. I think this is what he's planning on wearing to the wedding. He looks good in green too. Mm-hmm. Malachi got this. And this is what he's wearing to the wedding. And so he's going to match Simeon. So I think that'll be awful cute. The boys got some coats with Patrick. They adore the brand London Fog because they've had it in the past and it just doesn't, it takes a long time to dye. So they like hard-working clothes. So this is just a nice, I don't know, I would call this a business or church type jacket. It's going to be a workhorse jacket, but I can at least wear it to the wedding and wear it nice and tidy once. This is just an old windbreaker. I'm not sure. I can't even tell you what's what with my boys' clothes that they wear all the time. So this is just a big boy pile. I don't know which one's Tubbs and which one's Judah's. So a windbreaker. And then this one is an old Sears bummer type jacket. It seems like work and leisure, it says. I think that it's like in my head this is like a business issued uniform type jacket.
I think that when Ryan and I were looking through catalogs from the 70s, I'm pretty sure I saw an ad for that exact same jacket.
Probably. It's
So
just yours.
I kind of want to go and look at them again to see, just for fun.
So that is the end of what we got in the clothing realm. I'm going to go pull off all the tags, and then we will get a video of the big item that we got from our friend's thrift store. Not our friend's thrift store, our friend's favorite thrift store in her town. So that will be, I'll just close it out now and then show the footage of that. But I don't know. I don't know if people like thrift hauls. We had fun. I think Joelle and I are the only ones that didn't get anything. Patrick didn't need anything, and then maybe 3 of the girls didn't get the whole outfit, but got something to what they're wearing. So that's pretty good considering it was an all-day thing. It takes a long time for us to get there, and then it was just a long day. So we got home after 8, and we were done. So thrifting for us now is not like it used to be. It used to be, we could just stop while we're in town. But our local thrift stores, one is okay, but it's so tiny and they don't have a whole lot of stuff. Their prices are good. And then the other one, their stuff isn't very nice and their prices are outrageous. So thrifting is hard here. We have a favorite thrift store in Topeka, Kansas, and we get to that at max once a year. So I think that we need to start taking our master list and just going there and like really putting the time into being there and find everything that we need so we can quit trying at little thrift stores.
Because we find everything: pottery, books, clothes,
every size of clothes we need.
And they sell coffee at the door.
Yes.
That's really good.
Yeah.
And really good price.
You walk in the door, you get a cup of coffee, and then you just meander the store, browse the books. It's our favorite.
It's not a stinky thrift store either.
No, it's not too stinky. Some of these that we went into, we went into a Hot Tots, and that's where I got Simeon's clothes, and it was horrible. Like, you could hear the sprayer of fragrance going through, and it just stunk so bad. And I actually have a headache now just going through some of these clothes because people use a lot of fragrance. So I'll show you my big find, and that's the end. Okay, talk to you later. Bye. Here's our bigger item. This is going to go in our cabin, and it's going to hold the printer and some other supplies, and then I think Patrick's laundry will go in there. I was looking for a short dresser that wouldn't hide the window, and I think this is going to be a good one. We're pretty excited about it. It was $50, I think.
I think this was $9.
Well, it was a few nines.